called Balance the Pin. So it is a cooperative activity that I'm going to work with another person with. Obviously, demonstrations, it's just going to be me. But you'll have to imagine what it would look like with me and somebody else. We're using Beanie Babies, and we pull all of them out. This is just a few handful of them, but we spread them all the way across the whole gym. We're using scooters, and we're using bowling pins. All right, you don't have to use scooter if you have anything else that's nice and flat. You know what would work? Trays from the cafeteria would be just as useful. So if you don't have enough scooters for everybody, there's an idea as well. But what they do is one person holds one side, one holds the other, and we're going together, and we have to balance a bowling pin on top of the scooter as we go to the Beanie Babies to the middle. If our bowling pin tips and falls, we stop, we fix it, and then we keep going all the way to the middle. If we get to the middle line, at that point we can hold on to the bowling pin. One person picks out a Beanie Baby. They can either carry it or put it on their scooter, and then they're going to balance it going back. And again, if their bowling pin falls down, they stop, they fix it, they keep going. When they get back to the black line, they place the Beanie Baby down, and they go again. Okay, so they're just trying to collect. You can add the rule if you want to, that if their bowling pin falls down, they have to restart. We did this for kindergarten, first and second, which is why we didn't let them restart. So if you're going to do it for your older kids for a cooperative activity, you let them play this way, and then introduce where if it falls, they have to restart as well. That is about it. So hopefully your students will enjoy this one. I'm Coach Broder.